Ever felt like your user data is speaking a different language? Traditional UX research leaves you drowning in sticky notes while deadlines loom. Meet the UX Research Pack, your toolkit for transforming chaos into clarity. Modular interview guides with branching logic templates, usability testing scorecards that auto rank issues by severity, interactive journey maps with emotion heat maps, AI powered personas clustering users by behavioral patterns. For UX researchers, product managers, interaction designers, and design ops leads juggling stakeholder demands, this is your missing linchpin. Spoiler, it's easier than herding cats. Here's what's inside the UX Research Pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, structured interview protocols for exploratory and evaluative studies, usability testing frameworks with Fitz's Law inspired task analysis, journey mapping canvases integrating sentiment analysis, synthesis tools using affinity diagramming algorithms, AI powered persona generators with cluster validation metrics. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your research operating system. Installing the UX Research Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add ux-research-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: interview modules, analysis scripts, visualization dashboards. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant auto-loads the pack, ready to generate research plans, analyze transcripts, or visualize journey maps with voice of customer highlights. We'll even throw you a free PDF on how to sound like a UX pro in meetings. Future you will thank you. This is the last research toolkit you'll ever need.